Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
Chaque étape est pensée pour rendre ton apprentissage actif et efficace. Une première écoute sans texte pour entraîner ta compréhension orale. Une seconde écoute avec le texte pour associer les mots à leur prononciation. Puis la traduction pour t'assurer de bien comprendre le sens. Une dernière écoute et répétition à voix haute pour entraîner ton cerveau à parler anglais. Enfin, un petit exercice d'écoute pour tester ta compréhension. C'est parti.
Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand.
Désolé, je ne comprends pas.
Repeat. Sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that.
Je suis désolé, je n'ai pas compris.
Repeat. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Désolé, je n'ai pas saisi.
Repeat. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry? Sorry?
Pardon?
Repeat. Sorry? Pardon? Pardon?
Comment?
Repeat. Pardon? Excuse me, what did you say? Excuse me, what did you say?
Excuse-moi, qu'est-ce que tu as dit?
Repeat. Excuse me, what did you say? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Tu pourrais répéter, s'il te plaît?
Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please?
Tu pourrais le redire, s'il te plaît?
Repeat. Could you say that again, please? Would you mind repeating that? Would you mind repeating that?
Ça t'ennuierait de répéter?
Repeat. Would you mind repeating that? One more time, please. One more time, please.
Encore une fois, s'il te plaît.
Repeat. One more time, please. What was that? What was that?
Quoi? Tu as dit quoi?
Repeat. What was that? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
Tu pourrais parler plus lentement, s'il te plaît.
Repeat. Could you speak more slowly, please? Sorry, that was too fast for me. Sorry, that was too fast for me.
Désolé, c'était trop rapide pour moi.
Repeat. Sorry, that was too fast for me. Could you speak up a bit, please? Could you speak up a bit, please?
Tu pourrais parler un peu plus fort, s'il te plaît.
Repeat. Could you speak up a bit, please? It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again? It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again?
C'est un peu bruyant ici. Tu pourrais répéter?
Repeat. It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again? I don't know that word. I don't know that word.
Je ne connais pas ce mot.
Repeat. I don't know that word. What does summarize mean? What does summarize mean?
Que signifie summarize?
Repeat. What does summarize mean? Sorry, what's summarize? Sorry, what's summarize?
Désolé, c'est quoi summarize?
Repeat. Sorry, what's summarize? Could you say that in simpler words? Could you say that in simpler words?
Tu pourrais le dire avec des mots plus simples?
Repeat. Could you say that in simpler words? Could you spell that, please? Could you spell that, please?
Tu pourrais l'épeler, s'il te plaît?
Repeat. Could you spell that, please? How do you spell that? How do you spell that?
Comment ça s'écrit?
Repeat. How do you spell that? Could you write it down for me? Could you write it down for me?
Tu pourrais me l'écrire?
Repeat. Could you write it down for me? I understood the first part, but not the rest. I understood the first part, but not the rest.
J'ai compris la première partie, mais pas le reste.
Repeat. I understood the first part, but not the rest. I got most of it, but what does summarize mean? I got most of it, but what does summarize mean?
J'ai compris l'essentiel, mais que signifie summarize?
Repeat. I got most of it, but what does summarize mean? Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word. Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word.
Désolé, j'ai tout compris sauf le dernier mot.
Repeat. Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word. Listening challenge. Sorry, I didn't catch that. That was too fast for me. Could you repeat that more slowly, please? Can you type what you just heard? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.